Dropdowns in Google Sheets keep your spreadsheets clean by limiting what people can type. So instead of getting both California and Cali in the same column, everybody picks from the same list so you get something consistent. I'll show you. So in this file, we're tracking business trips. And for each trip, we're going to start by entering the purpose, but we want to use a dropdown to do so. So we're going to select all the cells in this column, and on the Data tab, go to Data Validation. Then we're going to add a rule, and the criteria is going to be a dropdown from a range, and we're going to select a range here that's in the second tab. So I see all the possible purposes. I'm going to select all of those. And so when I create the dropdown, go back to the first sheet, I should see all of those purposes listed. And maybe for the first trip, it's a conference. And for the second, it's a training. Now let's do something similar for travel type. I'm going to select again all the cells in this column, and I'm going to add a new rule. And I'll create the criteria as a dropdown, but I'm going to manually type them rather than selecting them from another worksheet. And so my first option for travel type will be air. The second will be car. And maybe the third is rail. So in this case, maybe the first trip is going to be by air, and the second is going to be by rail. Now, as a note, you can also use data validation to control the numbers and dates that people can enter. For example, for the days column, I'll select all the cells. I'm going to add another rule, but my criteria is going to be is between. And I'm going to say the value in this field has to be between 1 and 14. So because none of our business trips should last longer than 2 weeks, so if someone tries to enter 10, it accepts it. But if someone types in 20, it raises an error, and you see that in the top right corner. If this video helped you, hit like and subscribe for more of them. And if you want to go even deeper, I have a full course on Google Sheets in the links below.